Assalamualaikum. I am Wasim Khan Sujon. Today, I'll show you a tool that can replace traditional searching forever. Stop wasting time scrolling the whole internet. Perplexity AI gives verified answers in seconds, faster and smarter.
Perplexity is an AI search engine built for accuracy. It researches instead of guessing. It scans the web, checks reliable sources, and shows clean, summarized answers instantly.
No more opening 10 tabs. Perplexity gives one clear answer with full citations.
Students, researchers, content creators, requirement. Anyone who wants speed plus accuracy. Just type your question. Example: best laptop in 2026.
It pulls expert sources, compares options, and gives a bullet point summary. You can ask it to write content, analyze PDFs, compare products, or summarize long articles. And every answer includes source links so you can verify everything. When you need deeper research, switch to Pro Search. It scans more sources and gives a detailed report-style answer. If you want faster research, cleaner answers, and reliable information every time due, try Perplexity AI. It's like having your own personal researcher 24/7.